in the early stage of our statehood, most of the teachers were actively participated in politics, and which is why we find that the kind of standard in the debate, the government assembly is very high. So, whereas the present government is trying to snatch away that right from the teaching community, to prevent them from actively participating in politics. So, which is why we feel that this is not the right trend. Yeah, and if we go by the UGC norms also, there is a provision in the norms that teachers should actively participate in politics. If teachers are nation builders, how can we bring a law to stop them from participating in active politics? We feel it is against the spirit of democracy in our country. We witness the protest which are coming not only from the urban area, but especially from those areas which have been affected by this MOU. We feel that we are duty bound as a new political party to review and take everybody on board and to involve those stakeholders which have been left out by the present regime.
But we have seen the political parties who are part of this current government, like the UDP, they have also stated in their manifesto that they also seek to review the MOU. So what do you have to say?
You see, what do I have to say on this? Which is why BPP is coming up, because people have lost faith completely on all these existing political parties. Understand, today the stand is that the government is doing fine as far as MOU is concerned, and tomorrow the government is not doing good. So people have seen, which is why we hope that the people of the state will give us a chance in order to rectify all these mistakes. Kabedi who drops. Kalau ka eke issue ka pangmet ini namar ba ni bigi kon samaji ki kelamu tang drops atang ka kya drops. Then we don't he ki strategy ki jingi ke ba inle. Then we ke ba ni ko aban shu highlight kin dia le ma ke ba ni le. Kalau habari bat kani a party can classify. There will be a classification. Mo habari who drops. Kindon kibangila abnong kita ki drop user, kindon kita ki drop supplier. So we will deal with these groups accordingly.